Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to everyone, the honorable, my teacher, and my beloved friends. First of all, thank you for having me here in this fine and joyful morning. I hope we are all in the good health. Today, I will convey the importance of maintaining health during COVID-19 pandemic. Do you know what the COVID-19 virus, or is it also known as the coronavirus? How important is the COVID-19 virus for our country and for ourselves? Well, to answer the first question, coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This disease due to viral infection is called COVID-19. The coronavirus can cause minor disorders of the respiratory system, severe lung infection, and death. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, better known as the coronavirus, is a new type of coronavirus that is transmitted to humans. This virus can attack anyone, such as the elderly, adult, children, and babies, including pregnant women and nursing mothers. Coronavirus infection is called COVID-19 and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China, at the end of December 2019. This virus is spreading very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. This has led several countries to implement policies to impose lockdowns in order to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. In Indonesia itself, a large-scale social restriction or PSBB policy was implemented to reduce the spread of this virus. Coronavirus is a collection of viruses that can infect the respiratory system. In most cases, this virus causes only minor respiratory infections such as the flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infections such as lung infection or pneumonia. This virus is transmitted through sputum droplets from the respiratory tract. For example, when in a crowded, closed room with poor air circulation or direct contact with droplets. Early symptoms of coronavirus infection or COVID-19 can resemble flu symptoms, namely fever, runny nose, dry cough, sore throat, and headaches. After that, the symptoms may disappear and heal or even get worse. Patients with severe symptoms can experience high fever, cough with phlegm, and even bleeding, shortness of breath, and chest pain. The honorable audience, even though vaccination have started to be carried out, the best preventive way is to avoid the factors that can cause you to be infected with this virus. Apply physical distancing, namely 1. Maintaining a minimum distance of 1 meter from other people, and don't go outside the house first unless there is an urgent need. 2. As a mask. When doing activities in public places or crowds, including when you go shopping for groceries and attend worship on holidays. For example, at Al-Adha. 3. Routinely wash your hands with water and soap or hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol, especially after doing activities outside the home or in public places. 4. Do not touch your eyes, mouth, and nose before washing your hands. 5. Increase adherence with a healthy lifestyle, such as eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, getting adequate rest, and preventing stress. 6. Avoid contact with severely of COVID-19. People who are suspected of being positive for the coronavirus, or people who are sick with fever, cold, or cold. 7. Cover mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing, then throw the tissue in the trash. 8. Keep clean objects that are often touched and the cleanliness of the environment, including house cleanliness. Therefore, either at home or outside, keep the environment clean because cleanliness is our responsibility. Finally, I hope that some of the points I have sold today will make us appreciate our health more so that we can have a much better life in the future. Thank you for your attention. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.